I'm Dr. Agnelli with OC Doctors, and this is Hannah. Hannah, tell us what's going on with you today.
So about 2 years ago, I got in a car accident, and I started having really bad back pain. Sometimes it randomly starts again, especially like with the squat rack. When I'm using the squat rack, it hurts my back really bad, makes it really hard to like lift heavy. So I don't know if it's still because of the car accident or if it's just I'm lifting too much weight. I'm not sure.
Did you do any treatments after the auto accident?
Yeah, I did a few, but I didn't really show up to all my appointments. But yeah, I did a few.
Okay.
But still, my neck was like kind of not aligned, I felt like.
Okay, so that's what happens if we don't follow the treatment plan the doctor prescribes.
Yeah.
We may not get a full resolution within the spine. It'll come back residually with pain after.
I think that's what happened to me.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at you and see what's going on.
Should I just lay down?
Let's go face down on the table here. We got a couple little hand placements down right on each side there. Very good. Okay, we do have a leg length difference. If we put our thumbs on the bottom, but we're going to kind of measure at the top of the soles here, and then we're going to notice it's about 1/3 to 1/2 inch short on this left side. Now, as we bend it all the way up, we notice that it stays about 1/3 of an inch off still. Okay, so we have that going on. So that tells me there's a hip rotation going on this left hip. We can also visually see it on this left side. It looks like it's almost rotated around like that. Now, is there a little bit of pain?
Yeah.
On which side's worse?
On the right side.
Yeah. So a lot of times what happens is when we get a posterior inferior on the iliac spine on the left, it will actually create a body right on that L5 vertebrae. We're just going to kind of go right up the spine
there
here.
too.
What side's worse for you?
Right.
Right side. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to kind of get up into the area where you're feeling it a lot.
Yeah, right.
Right there on
Yeah,
that
there's
right
like
side.
a lot of tension there.
Okay, doc. And you actually have a reverse lordosis in the cervical spine. So the curve is going in the opposite direction. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do is a little bit of rapid release to relax these muscles down. Let me know if it's too much pressure in here. How is it?
That feels good.
Good. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, now let's get to work here. See if it's short on this left side. Okay. Alright, go ahead and take a breath in for me. And out, and just relax your shoulders. Relax, relax. Very good. Okay, we're going to do the left side up. Face me over this direction.
Like this?
Yep, just like that. And then just lay down on the side, put your head right in there. Okay. And then straighten that bottom one. Perfect. I'm going to slide you right like that. Good. And then lay on your back. Perfect. Here we go. Nice and relax. Very good. All right, let's go to the other side there. And just the top one in. It's just right here. Good. Okay, take a breath in and out. And nice and relax. Very good. Face up. Just let's lay back down on your back here. Okay, so we'll recheck this. Look at that. So we got the heels are heel to heel. If we look straight down. Okay. And then I also want to do a little look on her neck. Okay, so let's go ahead and face up. Turn all the way around, face up.
Okay.
There you go. That's okay. Up,
Just
slide
go
down.
back, or?
No, slide this way. And then go straight down. Perfect. I'm just going to kind of take a look at your neck here.
Okay.
So you can feel some tension right there?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm palpating the neck. I'm looking for areas that are subluxated. Tender right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to go real gentle on here, okay?
Okay.
Nice and relaxed. Good. How was that? Wasn't too
Yeah,
bad,
it
huh?
wasn't bad.
You're anticipating it more. Okay, and then just nice and relaxed right here. Perfect. Nice and easy. Okay. And then, good. All right. So come all the way up here. All right, Hannah, how did it feel?
It felt really good, like way better than I expected. I don't feel all that tension anymore. And the neck one I was really scared for, but that one was like nice and easy. So thank you.
You're very welcome.